Let us start with paint. It's fun to create a picture and fill colors to it, isn't it? We can use paint to create drawings on a blank drawing area or in existing pictures. Paint is used to create, edit, and view pictures. The interesting part is that we can use the self-created pictures in Paint as our desktop background. We can also copy and paste a Paint picture into any other document. Before we start using Paint, let's run or start Paint and know its window. To run Paint, click on the Start button. Point the mouse to All programs. Click on Accessories. Click Paint. The Paint window appears. Alternatively, you can type Paint in the Search Programs and Files text box in the Start menu. Look at this Paint window. It is divided into 4 major areas: Paint button, Quick Access Toolbar, Ribbon, Drawing area. Let's start with Paint button. This is a Paint button. You can perform many actions using this button. Various options in the Paint button are Open, New, Save as, Print. Open. This option helps you open an existing Paint file. New. This option helps you create a new Paint file. Save. This option helps you save a Paint file. Print. This option helps you print a Paint file. Now look at this. This is Quick Access Toolbar. As the name suggests, it helps you quickly access frequently used tools, such as Save, Redo, and Undo. You can also customize the Quick Access Toolbar by selecting items from the drop-down list. Look at this ribbon. Ribbon contains 2 tabs: Home and View. Let us first know about Home tab. The Home tab provides tools that help in creating and editing images. Home tab provides many options that are majorly categorized into various sections. These are Clipboard, Image, Tools, Brushes, Shapes, and Colors. Clipboard has 3 options: Cut, Copy, and Paste. By using these options, we can cut, copy, and paste a selected object in Paint. These options help you use one object many times in a picture. In the Image section, various options that help you in selecting and editing objects are Select, Crop, Resize, and Rotate. You can use the Select tool to select part of the picture that you want to change. You can use the Crop tool to crop a picture. Cropping helps you edit a picture in a way that only the selected object in the picture is visible. You can use the Resize tool to resize the whole picture, object, or part of a picture. You can use the Rotate tool to rotate the whole picture or a selected part of it. The Tools section provides various tools that you can use to draw and edit a picture. These tools are Pencil, Fill with Color, Text, Eraser, Color Picker, Magnifier. Look at this. The Brushes drop-down menu helps you choose different kinds of brushes to draw a picture. The Shapes section provides various shapes that you can use in your picture. It also provides the Line and Curve tools to draw a straight line and a smooth, curved line respectively. The Colors section provides variety of colors to choose from while drawing a picture. Now, look at the Drawing area. This area is like a drawing sheet. All drawing, painting, and sketching activities are done in this area. Let us now use these tools and options to create a new picture.